Hey y'all, it's Quijuandas. Welcome back to my channel. I appreciate each and every one of you. If you're new, please consider subscribing and tap the bell to be notified every time I upload a video. In today's video, I will be doing a flat twist out using the pomegranate and honey twist and souffle from Mielle Organic. So if you're interested in seeing what I did to achieve this style, keep on watching. So I'm not going to talk throughout the video, but I did want to touch on a few things. I am starting on stretched, blown out hair. The twist and souffle and a light oil is all I'm using, and the sun will disappear in about a minute. Those are all my points. Now let me turn the music back up. my results. I decided to try this product in particular because it claimed to enhance curls and provide intense hydration for thick, curly type 4 hair. I happen to have thick, curly type 4 hair, and I really like the way my hair turned out. The Twist and Soufflé left my hair shiny, defined, and it smells really, really nice. So I definitely recommend giving it a try if you have not done so already. I found the little packets at my local beauty supply house, so go small first if you don't want to pay full price. Anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed this flat twist out video featuring the pomegranate and honey twist and soufflé from Mielle Organics. Leave any questions you have below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video with all you people. And until next time, I will talk to y'all later.